name's Selwyn Hull. I work for CNR Developments. We're a very large bulk earth moving company. We have a range of diggers from 200 tonne down to 5 tonne. So this 27 tonne cat we recently purchased to go into a stripping operation needed the versatility of a quick hitch and tilt bucket, so we purchased a A2 Attach2 tilt head. Because of the ease of digging in a quarry situation, we can take the wide bucket off and put the digging bucket on because the rock's being so hard where I'm working. So it's great that you just drop the bucket off in a couple of seconds and on with the next one, away you go. And on another machine I had, we've recently put the Topcom GPS digging on, and we put the sensor inside the head so we can just change buckets as quick as, and it still gives you all your different heights, makes it easier to operate. They're a great company to deal with. I've had good dealings with everybody involved in the company. Everybody does everything with a smile, and that makes life a lot easier. When you ring up and ask a question, you always get an answer. So yeah, we had a great run, and very impressed with the equipment. It seems to last with the rugged hard work I've given.